In a busy warehouse, untrained operators are a liability. Confusion or incorrect operation creates a real risk of accidents and equipment misuse. This makes staying compliant with safety requirements a constant challenge. Bramidan Certify helps you structure, document, and manage operator training in one simple digital flow. From onboarding new operators to keeping training records up to date, it provides clear and transparent overview of who has been trained in and when training was completed. Be ready for the new EU machinery regulation. Certify ensures operator training is properly documented, helping you stay compliant with stricter regulatory requirements at all times. Standardized role-based training ensures every operator follows the correct procedures. Certify reduces human error, strengthens safety awareness, and helps prevent costly incidents. Deliver consistent operator training across locations. Certify makes it easy to roll out the same compliant training to every site without local trainers or complex coordination. Replace scheduled in-person training with digital onboarding. With Certify, new operators can train from day one, speeding up onboarding and getting employees productive faster without waiting. Try Certify now.